And we have some news just coming in. Maharashtra Chief Minister has slammed the MNS language violence. Devendra Fadnavis says police action on language-related violence. MNS Sena UBT Singh, only they are Marathi. We have a reaction coming in from the Chief Minister.
महाराष्ट्र में मराठी भाषा का अभिमान रखना ये कोई गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन भाषा के चलते अगर कोई गुंडागर्दी करेगा तो इसको हम सहन नहीं करने वाले। कोई अगर भाषा के आधार पर मारपीट करेगा तो ये सहन नहीं किया जाएगा। जिस प्रकार की घटना हुई है उसके ऊपर पुलिस ने एफआईआर भी किया और कार्रवाई भी की है, और आगे भी अगर कोई इस प्रकार से भाषा का विवाद करेगा तो उसके ऊपर कानूनन कार्रवाई होगी। हमको हमारी मराठी का अभिमान है, लेकिन भारत की किसी भी भाषा के साथ इस प्रकार से अन्याय नहीं किया जा सकता।
It's a big statement coming in from Devendra Fadnavis saying that there has to be political action on those people who are indulging in Gundaism, is what he said. He's also taken a dig really at the Sena UBT, essentially talking about the fact that MNS and Uddhav Thackeray's Sena think that they are the only ones who are Marathi. In that sense, are they the Thekidars, is what he's suggesting. Maharashtra Chief Minister hitting out at those who were in fact carrying out violence in the name of language. These were MNS goons, and this incident was from Mumbai, where on video, on camera, a man was slapped by MNS workers. In fact, there have been several political reactions also coming in, with the Uddhav Sena in a way ambiguous about what their stand is on this violence that has taken place. Not the first time. However, speaking volumes really of their silence really in this entire controversy, we saw that Uddhav Sena was silent and ambiguous in their response. Also, we saw support coming in from ministers really within the government, talking about the fact that those who disrespect Marathi, in fact, will be punished, not condemning the violence. But here we have the Chief Minister setting the record straight in the state of Maharashtra, reacting to this controversy over Maharashtra Nirman Sena workers thrashing a shopkeeper, slapping him for refusing to speak in Marathi. I'm going to go straight across to Ritik Bhalikar for more details on that. It's a clear-cut message there from the Chief Minister that violence against anyone, a Gundaism, will not be tolerated. Ritik, but the fact of the matter is that even ministers within the government have come out and not said anything about the violence, but said that those who are disrespecting Marathi will be punished.
Yeah, absolutely. The language war has intensified in Maharashtra ahead of upcoming civic body polls. As we can see that just a day before, Nitesh Rane, cabinet minister, had challenged MNS party workers who assaulted Meera Road shopkeeper, and he said that only poor Hindus are targeted and they are beaten. If they have courage, they have guts, they should go to places where Muslim community dominated areas are there, like in Baikala or in Govandi or in several areas of Mumbai. By the same time, we also saw a post coming on X from MNS leader Sandeep Deshpande. He's been standing firm on his ground, saying that if Marathi language is disrespected, they are gonna get it back hard, really hard. Now that CM Devendra Fadnavis has chipped in and he has assured that law and order will not be disturbed and it will not be tolerated, but at the same time he is also appealing people in Maharashtra that Marathi should not be disrespected.
You know, also Ritik, this also comes at a time really when Uddhav Sena has been, they're playing safe, I'd say, as far as this latest controversy is concerned. I mean, not the first time in Maharashtra that something like that has happened, but this time around, it seems that Uddhav Sena is playing safe, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely, because the core Marathi vote bank was claimed by Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena. Now that Shiv Sena has been divided into Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena and UBT Shiv Sena, and also MNS getting really aggressive on this whole language row. The upcoming civic body polls is going to be really a big challenge in front of all the regional parties who claim to be the real protectors of Maharashtrians and Marathi language. Now they are in thought that maybe Marathi vote bank will be divided and they have to bear the brunt of it. So every regional party is coming to the foray, but at the same time, Uddhav Thackeray, who we know is coming together with his estranged cousin Raj Thackeray tomorrow at 5th of
In
July.
that sense, Ritvik, the timing of this is also interesting, isn't it? Just tomorrow is when the rally is, when the Thackeray brothers, cousins in a way, come together. They share the stage. It is, in fact, on Marathi identity. It's the Marathi Vijay Divas. And this incident comes just before it, isn't it? And hence, the very calculated sort of a response from the Sena.
Absolutely. Now every party is trying to cling into each other and let Marathi people know that they are the real saviors of Marathi and their benefit. And so we can see that after 20 years, both Thackeray cousins, Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, along with their family, are coming together. Obviously, they are saying that there will be no party flags or no party agendas, but we are coming together for the goodwill and benefit of
Right.
Maharashtra and Maharashtrian people.
All right, Ritik Walekar getting us those details. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. But